Picture this. A 19-year-old college dropout builds a $14 billion AI empire. Meet Alexandr Wang, the youngest self-made billionaire who turned data, the lifeblood of AI, into pure gold with Scale AI. From coding in his teens to powering OpenAI's ChatGPT and Pentagon war machines. How did Wang create a company that's rewriting the rules of artificial intelligence? Buckle up as we dive deep into his meteoric rise. Let's unravel this incredible story. Born in 1997 in the secretive town of Los Alamos, New Mexico, where the atomic bomb was born, his parents, Chinese immigrant physicists working at the Los Alamos National Laboratory, growing up in a community steeped in cutting-edge research, Wang was a curious kid. By high school, he was a prodigy, dominating national competitions. In 2013, at 16, he qualified for the USA Mathematical Olympiad. A year later, he made the US physics team, a rare feat for a teenager. But Wang wasn't just a bookworm, he was a coder, building apps. At 17, Wang made a bold move. He skipped his senior year to join Adapar. In 2015, he joined Quora as a tech lead, working on machine learning algorithms. That fall, he enrolled at MIT to study computer science, but the classroom felt too slow. After one semester, Wang dropped out at 19. In 2016, he teamed up with Lucy Guo and applied to YCombinator. Their idea, Scale AI, a company to label massive datasets. It was a gamble that would change everything. In the summer of 2016, Wang and Guo stood before YCombinator's judges. AI was booming, but models needed vast amounts of labeled data. Scale AI's solution? A hybrid of human workers and software. The pitch won over YCombinator, securing $120,000 in seed funding. By 2017, Scale raised $4.5 million, hiring 240,000 contract workers. Scale's growth was explosive. By 2018, it powered autonomous vehicle AI. In 2019, a $120 million round pushed Scale's valuation to $1 billion. Wang, just 22, was a rising star, featured in Forbes' 30 Under 30. Scale's platform expanded beyond self-driving cars to support OpenAI's ChatGPT. By 2021, a $325 million round valued Scale at $7.3 billion. Scale wasn't just a company, it was the backbone of the AI revolution. Scale AI's ascent didn't stop. In May 2024, Wang secured a $1 billion funding round. Wang's 15% stake, now worth $2 billion. He solidified his billionaire status at 27. Scale's revenue tripled year over year, serving 300 clients, including Google. Its SEAL lab became a cornerstone for testing AI safety for Pentagon applications. Wang's vision grew geopolitical. After a 2018 trip to China, he became a vocal advocate for US AI dominance, warning at Davos 2025. He pushed for government contracts, securing deals with Homeland Security. Scale's federal arm doubled its defense revenue by 2025, cementing Wang's empire as AI's unsung hero. Scale's rise wasn't without turbulence. The 2023 tech downturn hit hard, forcing Wang to lay off 20% of his staff when Meta canceled a $40 million contract. Ethical questions swirled around Scale's reliance on Remotask's platform, employing 240,000 low-paid workers, earning as little as $2 per hour. Critics accused Scale of exploiting global labor disparities. Wang fought back. He secured $1 billion in 2024. Scale's data security set it apart, with rigorous encryption. Wang hired Jeff Wilk, who likened Scale to AWS for AI. Despite setbacks, Scale's role in powering AI breakthroughs kept it indispensable. At 28, Alexandr Wang is a Silicon Valley icon, named to Time's 2023 AI Influencers, and spotted at the 2024 Met Gala with OpenAI's Sam Altman. Scale AI's mission, to accelerate human scientific discovery, drives projects like climate modeling for NASA and drug discovery for Pfizer. With a $14 billion valuation and growing US defense contracts, Wang's empire shapes AI's future. He predicts artificial general intelligence by 2029, arguing data, not just compute, is the key. Critics question his labor practices, but supporters see a visionary outpacing rivals. Can Wang keep America's AI edge against China? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more AI success stories. Next, meet another AI billionaire, Ali K. Miller of AKM Consulting, rewriting the rules.